So if you go to website deepmind.google, you will see welcome to the Gemini era. Then you click on explore more, and when you click on build with Gemini here, you can see coming soon. It's coming on 13th of December. But wait, what happened when you use Bard? So when you use Bard, which is another chatbot from Google, and if I ask him what language model do you use, so you can see the response. I'm based on a large model called Lambda, which is trained of billions of words, text and code. So it is not using a Gemini. Let me show you how we can use Gemini as of right now. So what you need to do is you need to go to Opera browser, and then in Opera browser turn on the VPN. And from this option you need to choose America. So seems like Bard with Gemini is available only in America. Of course, it seems like it's gonna be available everywhere on 13th December, but for right now you can use Bard with using VPN from Opera browser. If I ask the same question to this Bard when I open this in a private browsing VPN from an American IP, if I ask what language model do you use, you can see I'm currently powered by Gemini, a large language model developed by Google AI. So you can see just by changing your location, you can use the Gemini right now. Let me know if that works for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more amazing video on Gemini AI. Don't forget to like the video and please subscribe because I'm going to make much more videos about Gemini and ChatGPT and other topics on AI.